Oh my God. Darcei, can you guys hear my bones crack? Huh. Yeah. See, I told you guys not to give me a microphone. Hey guys, what's up? It's me. It's me, Darcei. Hi. How you doing? We're back at it again with another challenge video. Today, we're gonna let TikTok pick our makeup. As you may or may not know, TikTok has consumed my every being for the last 6 months. Actually, probably longer than that. But if you're ever wondering where I am, I'm on TikTok. That's why you guys should follow me on TikTok.
Not a TikTok promo. We hate TikTok.
Anyway, so there's a trend going around on TikTok right now where people are using these beauty filters that randomly pick a blush, a lipstick, an eyeliner style, and then they throw it all together. So it's like a randomized sim, but in makeup form. Do you guys play The Sims? I love that game. So I have my handy dandy phone. Does anyone else have one of these? And we're gonna go on to TikTok and, oh hey, there's me. Huh. But before we start doing any makeup, you guys know we need to skin prep. That brings in today's sponsor, Clarins. Clarins is a trusted skincare authority that empowers their users to become their own skincare expert. And Clarins is a trusted leader within the eye skincare category, which is why I was super excited. Why is my sleeve like that? Which is why I was super excited for their new double serum eye. Let me show you guys. Okay, let me zoom you guys in. Look at my eyes right now. They're puffy, they're dry. What's going on here? That's not cute. I can't make a YouTube video under these eye conditions. I got a fresh product just so I could show you guys this. Oh, look at that. Look at that double serum action. You can literally see the two serums meshing together to become one super serum. Anyways, we're gonna put this on. Clarins actually has their own method of applying this. I'm gonna show you. This is a unique application method rooted in their spa heritage and lymphatic drainage method. If you have no idea what I just said, you gotta watch. Step 1, you gotta rub it between your fingers, just like this. Warming the product in your fingers activates the ingredients. Gently, ever so softly, press under the eye, moving from the inner corners to the outer corner. Oh, that's nice. This unique method helps reduce puffiness and stimulate lymphatic drainage. It's also super relaxing. A lot of times when people are applying their products, they'll just wanna rub it in all over their face. But pressing is actually a lot more effective and again, reduces puffiness. Step 3, you apply over the eyelids. Same thing, inner corners to outer corners. Oh boy, that feels great. I actually had a headache coming on and this is helping a lot. Then you're gonna wanna tap gently between your eyebrows, ever so softly. This helps to remove toxins from your face. Namaste. The double serum eye is 2 power pack serums in one for visibly smoother, firmer, hydrated, and more youthful looking eyes in just 7 days. Plus, Clarins is committed to sustainability and being a leader in the green beauty space. Become your own eye expert by adding Clarins Double Serum Eye to your skincare routine today. Okay, so now that our skin is ready to go, let's start putting on our makeup. There's no such thing as a randomized foundation filter, because that would be weird. What would that even be? So we're just gonna use whatever foundation we have. I'm just gonna put a little bit of foundation on, you know. The foundation's not the star of the show here, guys. I'm hoping that I get some really crazy randomized options, like a purple eyeliner and a black lipstick. I wanna look weird today. So we're gonna go into effects, and I already have a bunch of effects saved on my TikTok. We're gonna start with eyebrows. So where is my brow filter? So this filter here is supposed to show you where your brows should be. The start, the arch, and the end. And looks like, lo and behold, guys, I'm already perfect. So I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows like I always do. Filling in my eyebrows using this filter is a lot harder than I thought. Okay, eyebrows, looking good. Next, eyeliner. Go back into effects. Okay, this is our random eyeliner. Guys, this looks kind of hard, but we're gonna try. I'm going to use the REM Beauty Liner. So it's like a little wing on the outside, a little wing on the inside, and then 3 on the bottom. We can do it. Let me zoom you guys in. God help me. I wonder if I can use the filter as a guide. I'm gonna try. Guys, I'm scared. No, it's not bad. It's fine. It's fine. Oh my God. Oh my God. No, just take a deep breath and do it. Just do it. That's awful. It looks awful. I'm gonna try and just do this freehand on the other side. The hardest part is the ones underneath. If you guys have seen my cat girl video, I had to do the same thing in that video and it was so hard. Oh my God, this is the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. No one told me that this would require major art skills that I don't have. How'd I do, guys? This eyeliner's a little off. The freehand one, it's a little off, but we tried our best. All right, so now that I look like an emo cat, let's go into the next step, which is blush. Okay, let's try this random blush picker. I guess I'm just a cat today, guys. Let me get a real good look at this. It's like pink blush with like a kind of a little squiggle and then 3 whiskers. Let's start with just applying a bright pink blush and we're gonna go overboard with this. Oh my God. Wait a second. Why does it look so low? Okay. I'm ready. Now we're gonna have to do little squiggles. I don't have any pink or white eyeliners, but there is a trick that you can do to have any eyeliner color that you want. All you gotta do is take a really thin brush like this, wet the brush and dip it in any eyeshadow color that you have. Okay, how'd I do? And then we're just gonna, whoop. This is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be, guys. This side I did freehand and then this side I tried to follow the filter. The freehand side this time is way off. Oh my God. Should I redo it? It's not too late. Okay, second time around, way better. So there are little freckles all over my face now, and I've got a happy face and a sad face. Oh boy. That's gonna be so bad. Happy and sad. And I'm just gonna use my eyebrow pencil to just draw freckles all over my face. Blend those in with my fingers. What else can we do? How about a random face tattoo? Cause why not? Huh? We're already a mess. Oh, look at the little heart. We're just gonna have a little heart under my eye. Oh my God, that's the worst heart I've ever seen. Is that even a heart? It is now. Guys, look how bad that that's the worst heart I've ever seen in my life. I mean, all of this is pretty bad. So, what's next? Let's do the lipstick picker. What color lipstick should I wear today? That's like a dark purple or like a dark reddish. Oh, this is kind of it, right? I don't know. I'm gonna try this on. I've actually never tried this. This is Fenty's Underdog. Oh yeah, this is it. I look like an e-girl. I'm gonna put some finishing touches on this. Lashes, contour, I don't know. What lashes would look nice with these? I love how my whiskers are totally uneven, but I'm also really enjoying the cat theme. Not gonna lie, I kind of like it. Am I crazy? I kind of like this, guys. I really like the eyes. The eyes are really cute. And I like the blush. If it was more even, that'd be great. You actually can't tell me that I don't look cute right now, because I do. I think the happy faces and the heart could use some work. But other than that, it's pretty cute, guys. It is kind of cute. We are kind of cute right now. I think my favorite part of the look is the eyes and the lips. And the whiskers. The whiskers are pretty cute. Meow. This was fun. I kind of want to do this again. It's kind of like face painting. I like that I've done a look that I would never in a million years ever do. I can't stop staring at my eyes, guys. The eyes are so cute. The asymmetrical whiskers are killing me. And the heart. What even is that? I should do my eye makeup like this more often. I should just become an e-girl. I should be an e-girl now. I'm changing my image. I'm like slowly sinking into the wall. Anyways, guys, I hope you like this video. I love doing challenges like this. This was actually really hard. If you guys want me to do more videos like this, I could always do another randomized makeup video because there's lots of options to choose from on TikTok. But I kind of like this look. Let me know what you guys think. I will see you in the next video, which is just going to be in 2 seconds because you're just going to click one of these. And don't forget that I love ya! So much.